Now we're going to work on the Moodboard 2 template, which is a little less rigid in terms of layout, and it has a little bit more texture to it. So we have a lot of images going on here. I'm gonna click on this first frame and I'm gonna bring that image in. Let's see, here you are. All right, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit on that. So I double clicked on the frame. Okay, and then let me refer back to here. Okay, I'm gonna show you one new thing with images. Let's see, down here I had this sync. Double click. I'm gonna make it more about the sync. All right, okay. I have in my example this little badge logo here. Again, this is a square file, so it's going to work in this square frame. If you don't have a square file, you can simply delete this and then just upload your logo file and move it around and scale it how you want. But right now, this frame will work for me. So I'm gonna go back here, choose that little guy, place it there. All right, so let's say I have these two photos already, and I'm like, I just need 2 more to fill this in to kind of complete the mood of this mood board. So I am going to choose from Canva stock photos. So I'm gonna go over with this highlighted 2 elements. Right now I'm in shapes, but I wanna get back to kind of this main menu. I'm gonna click on photos. And here it has some recommendations, but I am going to just type something in. Interior design. I'm just going to pick from here. Let's just say I'm happy with this one. I'm gonna click on that. It's gonna bring it in. If I just clicked once, it just places it. And then I'm going to drag it into that frame. I know it's not the best choice right now, but this is how you can add additional stock photos just to finish up your mood board. All right, and then this one, I want something that looks like marble. And I'm gonna use this guy. So if I just click once, it'll bring it in. And then I'm going to drag it into that frame. I'm gonna double click so I can move it so I can see more of this. All right, and then here, this I just added as a little stylistic element. You can put the project name here. You can use adjectives to describe this mood that you're creating, whatever the theme is. You can move these around. You can relayer things, like if I want this to be the center of attention, maybe I don't want this layered on top. You would just click position and drag things either over or under.